I love that sound.
Of course. This is how you stay young. Fish steam.
Is that what you've been doing?
The collagen from the fish gets out your wrinkles. I'm 75 years old. Let's hit it with some butter.
Butter's always a good idea.
Yep.
Thank you. A little bit of parsley.
I like that hit of green at the end.
Nice, eh? Ooh, that's nice.
Perfect sear. Knock down the heat a bit. And now, we baste.
Oh, butter. Bring on the butter.
Butter. Juniper.
Ooh. Oh, those juniper berries. They're just crazy aromatic. They're perfuming that butter like instantly. Look at that.
Oh. Ooh-wee.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
I'll go grab the plate.
Perfect.
We're looking good.
Looking
I'm all done.
beautiful.
I'm ready to rock and roll.
Look at the glossy butter.
Nice. I mean, you're not messing around with that butter.
We're not playing a game right now.
Here we go.
You ready?
I was born ready, Shahir. You smell that?
This is gonna be good.
Be nice and generous.
It's flaky.
That is so beautiful. Look at that.
Oh.
You got it. There's something wrong here.
What? Yeah, that's the bigger one. Let's eat.
Let's go. I was gonna say, let's go see. We're both thinking the same thing. Sorry, I should pull out your chair for you. There you go.
The buttery juniper.
I know.
Bathing in the fish. So we gotta get a bite of the fish.
Cheers. Oh, wow,
Cheers.
look at that bite.
I'm curious to see what you think of the juniper.
Mmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Wow. That's delicious. That juniper berry really surprises me. It wakes up the entire dish.
It does have a gin quality to it, right?
It does, but even though it's not a berry, there is some sort of sweetness to it. Right?
Floral, sweet. Incredible with the buttery fish. See, it's on par with the steak, right?
You'll impress your guests with this dish.
This is restaurant food.
Yep.
Whether seeds, fruits,
Bark or roots, remember,
a pinch of spice.
makes a world of difference. Cheers. Here, have some.
No
Take
more.
some. I feel bad. You ate all of yours.
I got
knew
the
you
small
liked it.
piece.
You were very generous.
I got the
Here.
small